Data consolidation plays a crucial role in efficient data management, allowing users to integrate multiple sources of information into a single, structured view. This process simplifies analysis, minimizes redundancy, and enhances decision-making. To access the Consolidate feature, simply press Alt-A-N and the Consolidate window will appear. You can also find this option under the Data tab. In our first example, we will consolidate data from one sheet. Press Alt-A-N to open the Consolidate window. Use the default sum function or select other options like count, average, max, min, and more from the drop-down list. Enter the reference for the data. Under Use Labels In, select left column for proper alignment. Click OK, and Excel will consolidate the data for you. In our second example, we will consolidate data from multiple sheets. Press Alt-A-N to open the Consolidate window. Click the reference box and select the data from Sheet 1 as your first reference. Click Add, and it will appear in the All References box. Alternatively, instead of clicking Add, you can simply press Alt-A to speed up the process and achieve the same result. Press Delete to clear the reference box and select data from Sheet 2. Then click Add or press Alt-A again. This is the second reference appearing in the All References box. Repeat the process for Sheet 3 and any additional sheets as needed. Press Delete to clear the reference box. Select the data from Sheet 3, then click Add or press Alt-A. We now have 3 references. Press Delete again and select Sheet 4 data, and click Add or press Alt-A. Click OK, and Excel will consolidate all selected data. Bonus tip: if you want to maintain a connection to the original data sources, check the Create Links to Source Data option before clicking OK. This ensures that your consolidated figures stay updated when the source data changes. If you delete the product 5 amount in Q4, the consolidated amount changes. That's it. Now you can efficiently consolidate data in Excel with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more of my videos, please hit subscribe.